Dell Precision 5470 is a 14-inch mobile workstation for content creators, graphic designers, and anyone seeking maximum performance on the go. It impressively offers 45-watt Intel H Plus processors, NVIDIA RTX class graphics, DDR5 memory, and PCIe Gen 4 storage. It's a unique solution if you are looking for the smallest possible workstation laptop. The 5470 packs quite the punch for a 14-inch laptop. Most Intel-based laptops this sized use core class chips rated for 15 or 28 watts, but the Precision 5470 evolves to the 45-watt desktop replacement H class chips normally found in 15 and 17-inch machines. The top choice is a 14-core Alder Lake Core i9-12900H, which can reach 5 GHz. Graphics options start with integrated Intel graphics and top out with the 4GB NVIDIA RTX A1000, an entry-level 2D and 3D solution. Memory options go up to 64GB of DDR5 5200. The base model has just 8GB of RAM, which is disappointing since the memory is soldered, not upgradable. A laptop of this caliber should have at least 16GB standard. The Precision 5470 has one M.2 Zen 4 slot for storage. Dell strangely offers a mix of Zen 3 and Zen 4 drives. Taking full advantage of this platform means opting for the latter. The top storage option is a 4TB Zen 4 NVMe SSD. The Precision 3470 is Dell's other 14-inch mobile workstation. It's less expensive but doesn't have the Precision 5470's performance, utilizing 28 P-class chips and a 4TB T550 graphics card. Interestingly, the Precision 3470 has upgradable RAM via two DIMM slots. The Precision 5470 rocks a sleek, modern business look. The display's bezels are minimal and the palm rest has an attractive carbon fiber finish. The lid and most of the chassis is a strong metal. Picking this machine up one-handed doesn't cause any flags or cracks. Size-wise, the Dell Precision 5470 is about as small as a notebook with a 14-inch 16:10 aspect ratio. Screen can be 0.74 inch into 12.22 inch into 8.27 HWD. The move to 16:10 from 16:9 is a boon for productivity since it provides more vertical screen space. The Precision 5470's standard Full HD Plus screen offers about 10% more vertical pixels than a Full HD screen. Our unit's screen is the upgraded QHD Plus 2560 x 1600 panel with touch support and a high 500 nit brightness rating. Dell advertises it as low blue light. An IR camera is just above. The Full HD Plus screen is also 500 nits but doesn't support touch. The keyboard keys are full size minus the function row and the half height up and down arrows. The white backlighting contrasts nicely against the black keycaps. Typing feel is slightly rubbery but solid and satisfying. If you are coming from an older laptop, it might take a minute to realize that the power button is a keyboard key, top right corner, and that it doubles as a fingerprint reader. The laptop has also an IR camera for facial recognition. The touchpad is proportionally large enough for a 14-inch display. It has no physical buttons. Simply press the surface to physically click. There's no track stick as you would find on a Lenovo ThinkPad. The port selection consists of 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a microSD card reader, an optional smart card reader, and an audio jack. There are no traditional USB Type-A ports or video outputs, so you may need to budget for adapters. All the Thunderbolt 4 ports support DisplayPort over USB-C, and any of them can be used to power the Precision 5470 with its included adapter. We are testing the Precision 5470 configured as follows. Intel Core i9-12900H. It has 14 cores, 28 threads, 2.5 GHz to 5 GHz speed. Windows 11 Pro, NVIDIA RTX A1000 with 4GB graphics memory, 14-inch QHD Plus touch display with IR camera, 32GB DDR5 5200 RAM, 1TB Gen 4 SSD, Intel AX211 wireless card, 130-watt power adapter, 1 year on-site limited warranty. This nearly maxed out configurations ring up to lofty $3,338 through Dell.com, but that's the single unit cost. Business buyers will get a discount. The 1 year standard warranty is too short for a laptop this expensive. The Precision 5470 faces the HP ZBook Firefly 14G9 and the Lenovo ThinkPad P14s Zen 3. Those machines stick with lower wattage Intel Core U and P class processors instead of the 45-watt H class chips in the Dell. The HP offers RTX A500 graphics while the Lenovo tops out with the NVIDIA T550, both lower on the ladder than the RTX A1000. That said, at least the Lenovo is far cheaper. I configured it at $2,052 with a 14-core Intel Core i7-1280p. What else can you get for around the $3,000 mark? Dell's larger Precision 5570 was $3,030, as I said before, with mostly the same specifications as our Precision 5470 but more capable 8GB RTX A2000 graphics. It's all about how much you value portability. The Precision 5470 is a highly capable 14-inch workstation laptop. Its Intel Core H-class processor makes it a particularly strong performer in CPU-specific workloads. It also has an attractive design, solid build quality, and excellent screen and comfortable input devices. On the flip side, the Precision 5470 has a minimalist port selection with no traditional USB Type-A ports or dedicated video outputs. It's also difficult to understand why a laptop of this caliber comes standard with just 8GB of RAM, which isn't upgradable, so the base model should be avoided at all costs. Graphics performance is the primary weakness for a laptop this small. Our testing suggests the Precision 5470's NVIDIA RTX A1000 graphics card is suitable for entry-level 3D work but would likely struggle with complex modeling. This laptop also accepts just one M.2 Zen 4 storage drive. Going up to a larger 15 to 16 inch workstation laptop would allow for more powerful graphics and additional storage drives. Naturally, larger laptops aren't as portable, and that's why the Precision 5470 stands out as a viable option for mobile performance in a very compact form factor.